open a CAD program and make the following settings as default: unit millimeters, precision 0 decimal places. I'll open my program, then go to application program, drawing limits straight to units here. Then from here, I'll change my precision to 0, then change this to millimeters. Let me confirm. Yeah, I was supposed to be in millimeters. So I'll go back to my program, then to check. Okay. Now let me go back to the equation. Then check the wanted to insert a layer with the following properties. Layer name. Let me scroll up a bit. We have layer name, edges, line weight 0.6 millimeters. So down here on the command line, I will type layer, then hit enter. It will display this dialog box here. I'll right click, set new layer. So the name of my layer here, the question was edges. So I will go back to my program, then type edges. Now we were told to enter the line weight of 0.6. So I'll right click on the line weight, then scroll down, look for 0.60 millimeters. Then okay, yeah, that is it. So I will close this dialog box. I will set this as a current because I'm going to use it. I will close it, go back to the equation again, and the equation was when you look at this diagram, I have to enter this line was 70 millimeters around. So we are going to select this line, then draw it, enter my 70, hit enter. I will reduce it using zoom extent. That is okay. Go back to the equation here. Need to check from this side. We also have 70. It means 70. We are going to enter 70 around. So select line again. Enter 70. The other side as well. We are going to have 70. 70 again. That way. So what I'm going to do is I need to drag it and place it at the center very well. I will use this option called pan. So I will move it to the center. Now I have to exit, right click, exit, pan. Then go back to the equation. We are told from here to there is 15 millimeters, that is. And from this side to that side, we have 15 as well. So let me go back to my program, select line command. Then from this edge, I'll drag, then enter 15. The other side was supposed to be 55. That is 70 minus 15. So that line will be 55. Let me go back again to my question. So this line to the other side, still 55, because you take 15 minus 15 from 70, you get 55. So this side will be 15, I will be 55 as well. So let me go back to my program. Select line command again. From this side to the other side, 55. I'll enter 55. Press enter. Then I have to go and check from this question, this line from this point to that point. Let's see, 54. Was supposed to be 54. So I'm going to draw a line of 54 millimeters. So I will go back to my program which is around here. I'll select this line command from this edge. I'll drag it to 54, then enter. I will go back to the equation. From this side to the other point was supposed to be 54, but when you minus 15, you get 39. 39 is the measurement we need to use here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back to my equation. My program, that is, I'll repeat a line, drag this at upward should be 39. Okay, back to the equation. From here, from this point, the outer part, this line to that point was supposed to be 70 as well, and inside the line should be 55. So this one should be 55. I'll enter 55, enter. Then the outer layer on the outer line was supposed to be 70. Okay, from this point to that point, that is 70. What else? And let me check my equation. This point to that point is the same as from this point to the other point. So similar measurement, which will be 39. I'll repeat the line, enter 39, hit enter. Then that one will be 55. Okay, I will repeat a line from this point. That point was supposed to be 54 because that one is the outside, it's the outer line. So from that point to the other point, that one is 70. Okay, now I again check my equation. Now we have an angle somewhere here. Let me see. Okay. Now that line was supposed to be 39 as well. Yes. Then this angle it has a radius of 20. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply fillet. So I will select this fillet command. Then right click, choose radius. I will enter my radius of 20 on my command line, hit enter, then select this line and the other line as well. Right click again, repeat the fillet, the other side as well, that way. Now what I will do is I'll go back to the equation. I have a line there of 15 from here to that point, and enter 15, then enter. Okay, this is introduction part of it. I will do the next part.